Hello and welcome to a journey of self-discovery, a journey that will transform you from the inside out. Today, we're setting sail into the sea of the self, where we'll dive deep into the essence of who you truly are. We'll navigate the currents of consciousness, exploring 7 important lessons that will help you understand and appreciate your unique self better. This journey of self-discovery is more than just a voyage of introspection. It's an adventure that will reshape your understanding of your desires, your values, and your potential. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with the tools to uncover your true self, to grow, and to thrive. So, are you ready to set sail? If you're excited to embark on this journey, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment. Your interaction fuels our motivation to bring you more content like this. The first lesson in our journey is acceptance. Now, let's unpack what that truly means. Acceptance isn't about settling or saying, "This is as good as it gets." No, it's about acknowledging your current state, your strengths, your flaws, your quirks, and saying, "This is where I am right now, and that's okay." Acceptance is the cornerstone of self-improvement. It's only when we fully accept ourselves that we can begin to grow. We tend to be our own harshest critics, but acceptance teaches us to trade harsh judgment for understanding and compassion. It's about embracing the entirety of who you are and loving yourself, not in spite of your flaws, but including them. It's important to note that acceptance isn't an excuse to stagnate. It's not about complacency. It's about providing a solid, loving foundation from which you can build and improve. Remember, accepting yourself is not about complacency, but about understanding and loving who you are. Moving on to our second lesson, self-reflection. This is the mirror to our souls, the compass guiding us on the path of self-discovery. It's about looking inward, examining our thoughts, feelings, and actions. So, why is self-reflection so crucial? Well, imagine navigating a ship without a compass. You might sail, but without direction. Similarly, without self-reflection, we might live, but without true understanding of ourselves. Regular introspection helps us identify patterns, beliefs, and behaviors that shape our identity. It's like having a personal conversation, one that can lead to greater self-awareness. But remember, self-reflection is not a trial. It's not about guilt or blame. It's about observing, understanding, and learning. It's about asking yourself, why did I react this way? Or what made me feel like this? Through self-reflection, we become our own best friend, our own therapist, and our own guide. Self-reflection is not about judging, it's about observing and understanding. Our third lesson is about embracing change. Now, this might seem daunting because change is often synonymous with uncertainty, and uncertainty can be scary. But let's flip the narrative. Change is a testament to the dynamic nature of life. It's the thread that weaves through our existence, constantly pushing us out of our comfort zones and encouraging us to grow. Think about the person you were 5 years ago or even 1 year ago. You're not the same, are you? You've evolved, learned, and grown, all thanks to change. Embracing change is saying yes to the unknown, yes to possibilities, and yes to personal growth. On the flip side, fear of change can be a huge roadblock in the path of self-discovery. It can keep us tethered to the familiar, the safe, and the predictable. But remember, growth and comfort do not coexist, so step out, embrace change, and let it guide your journey to self-discovery. Remember, the only constant in life is change. The fourth lesson we have for you is patience. Patience, as they say, is a virtue. It's a crucial element in our journey of self-discovery. You see, understanding oneself is not akin to solving a puzzle or reaching a destination. It's more like reading a book. You cannot skip chapters to reach the end quicker. Each page, each chapter offers unique insights, and it takes time to absorb, process, and understand them. Just as a seed takes time to sprout, grow, and blossom into a beautiful flower, so does the process of self-discovery. You'll experience moments of doubt, confusion, and frustration. But these are not roadblocks, they are stepping stones. Embrace them, learn from them, Let them guide you. Remember, self-discovery is a journey. It's about growing, evolving, and understanding oneself better with each passing day. Patience is not about waiting, it's about maintaining a positive attitude while working towards understanding oneself. The fifth lesson in our journey is about being authentic. Authenticity is the foundation of self-discovery. It's the ability to be true to yourself, to your values, to your beliefs, and to your feelings. It's about shedding the masks we often wear to fit into societal norms and expectations, and embracing our unique selves. When we embrace authenticity, we allow ourselves to connect deeply with our true nature. We give ourselves permission to experience our emotions fully, to express our thoughts freely, and to make choices that align with our core values. This authenticity leads to a deeper understanding of oneself. Authenticity is not about being perfect. It's about acknowledging our imperfections and still choosing to love and accept ourselves fully. It's about standing in our truth, even when that truth is uncomfortable or challenging. So, let's strive to be authentic. Let's honor our truth. Because being authentic means honoring who you are at your core. Our sixth lesson revolves around practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool in the journey of self-discovery. It's about being fully engaged in the present moment with an open and non-judgmental mind. When we practice mindfulness, we give ourselves the gift of time and space to explore our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Mindfulness helps us to tune into our inner world, enabling us to better understand our emotions, reactions, and behaviors. It's like turning on a light in a dark room, illuminating aspects of ourselves that were previously hidden or overlooked. By being present, we can observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. We can watch them come and go, like clouds in the sky, without clinging to them or pushing them away. This gives us the freedom to choose how we respond rather than react impulsively. In essence, practicing mindfulness is about cultivating an ongoing relationship with ourselves. It's about being curious, open, accepting, and loving towards ourselves. Mindfulness is about being present, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too. Our final lesson is about seeking feedback. Feedback is a powerful tool in the journey of self-discovery. It's like a mirror held up by others, reflecting our behaviors and attitudes we may overlook or ignore. It reveals truths that are hard to see from our viewpoint and opens up perspectives we weren't aware of. When we seek feedback, we invite others to share their perception of us to help us understand how we come across. It's important to remember that this isn't about judgment or criticism. It's about gaining insights and making improvements. It's equally crucial to approach feedback with an open mind and a positive attitude. Constructive criticism is not a personal attack, but an opportunity to grow. It's a chance to learn, to change, to become a better version of ourselves. And remember, while it's helpful to seek feedback, it's also essential to trust your own instincts. You know yourself best. Feedback is not about criticism, it's about growth. So, we've journeyed through 7 lessons to help you know yourself better. We began with acceptance, recognizing the absolute necessity of embracing who you are right now. Acceptance is the foundation. It's about acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses, your victories and your losses. It's not always easy, but it's the first step towards self-discovery. Then we delved into self-reflection, the mirror that shows us our true selves. We discussed the importance of taking time to look within, to understand our emotions, our reactions, and our desires. It's the process of asking ourselves the hard questions and not shying away from the answers. Our third lesson was about embracing change. Change is constant, it's inevitable, and it's an integral part of our journey. We highlighted the importance of not just adapting to change, but also seeking it, welcoming it, and using it as a tool for growth. Patience, our fourth lesson, taught us the value of pacing ourselves. Self-discovery isn't a race, it's a marathon. It's about understanding that real meaningful insights take time to surface and that it's all right to take a moment to slow down and to breathe. In our fifth lesson, we explored authenticity, being true to who we are. It's about shedding the masks we wear, the roles we play, and revealing our genuine selves. Authenticity, we discovered, is about being honest with ourselves and the world around us. Our sixth lesson was all about practicing mindfulness, living in the present, being aware of our surroundings, our feelings, and our thoughts. It's about appreciating the here and now and understanding that all we have is this moment. Finally, we discussed seeking feedback, the seventh lesson. It's about opening ourselves up to other perspectives, to constructive criticism, and using it as a stepping stone towards self-improvement. Remember, self-discovery is a lifelong journey, and these lessons are your guiding stars. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep discovering yourself.